Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily enhance your photos using the newest AI enhance feature in CapCut. So here you can easily find the new feature on the CapCut homepage. In here it might be different based on the position, but it is on the homepage, AI enhance. So if you want to use it, just click on that feature and then choose the photo that you want to enhance. For example, I want to enhance this portrait right here. So this is the before, and I want to add the AI enhance. It will load like this, and you can see there's a difference in the face part. So if I undo, it will go like this, and now it becomes smoother with the AI enhance. If you're satisfied with the result, you can always click on export right away, but you can also edit, like do cropping. You can remove the background and also copy the photo. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.